Hey everyone, welcome back to Out of the Box Thrift on YouTube. Today's episode is another installment in the trying to make sense of a hoarder's home and profit while doing so, whatever we're titling this. Basically, today I'm starting a project pan. So let's just dive right in. Here are the things I am trying to project pan in this process. I know it's not a lot and I probably will add more in the future, but let me just give you a quick little tour of what I've got. This one is deceiving because it is a lot lower than it appears at the moment. I just used it a second ago, but I want to get through this body lotion. Clearly it's an old bottle. I'm gonna try and do that whole marking thing, but I think I need to wait for it to settle until I mark where it is. This is just a candle. I was gifted this in a white elephant some Christmas, but it's been in storage for honestly probably 2 years by now, maybe 3. I did have this lit the other day while I was working. I'm just gonna put a Sharpie there where it is, and honestly I'll probably kill this within a day, depending on what work I get done in the office here. This was also a holiday gift, but look at how torn up this is. I was originally going to toss it, and I was like, I really like this for a highlighter as well as an eyeshadow. And here's another thing that's really hard to track how much is left, but I'll just use it basically until it dries out. Okay, this also is like a travel size Vaseline. I typically use this as chapstick. As you can tell, it's like literally falling apart, and there really is not much left. It's all melted, and there's that chunk at the bottom. Can see all the glitter in there from festivals, but I just want to finish using this up before I open another one. I actually have a backup travel one somewhere, but this one stays in my makeup bag at all times. So I want to finish that. This is also almost finished. I can kind of see by the lighting where it is, so I'll try and mark it here. This is a Curology. This originally was my sister's, but I'm just going to finish it since she doesn't even live in this house anymore. Obviously, she's not using it. Both of these colors, this one I'm so close to being done with. Oh my gosh, look how crusty that one is. Neither one of these lipsticks colors have their caps, and therefore I want to use these up first before any other of my lipsticks. And the last item I'm working on here, it's literally, I don't know if you can see at the bottom, it's a tanning lotion. Again, I've had it for literally ever. They probably don't even make this. This brand doesn't even exist anymore. It's right down here. It's going to be tough to see, but we're so close, but hopefully I should be able to finish it within the next week or so. I'll be laying out with whatever time I can find. So I know it's not a lot, but as you can tell, I'm already using some. I've used the eyeshadow, the lip color, the mascara that I'm trying to kill. Realistically, I probably won't do a lot of project pan updates, but I just wanted to kind of show you what I'm working through so that I can start using those other products that I've been organizing and going through and have so many multiples of. Drop in the comments if you've ever done a project pan, if there's any kind of method that you have used that's been successful. I'm just really going to try and be always lighting this candle, always wearing lotion, probably putting on makeup even when I don't really need to film anything or go anywhere or see anybody, just to use up the product. And realistically, it'll probably encourage me to film things as well for this channel or my other or Instagram or whatever. So probably a good thing. Thanks so much for being here. If you want to see the rest of the series, I do have a playlist linked on my channel of all the videos you can watch from the beginning, so what I'm doing makes sense to you. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'll see you really soon. Bye.